turd down here. What's he doing? He's just ignoring the camera is what he's doing. Deaf, I think. So look what we got in here again. We got the Jeep back in here. Man, these guys, they really like what I'm doing. I really appreciate their work or their business. I really appreciate it. So today, he's putting on a winch on that thing. We're probably gonna get it on, get it bolted, get some things done to it, and then we'll have to go get some things later because I'll have to get some wires and stuff for it. So we're gonna go through and see what we gotta do to mount it. Obviously this thing already has places to mount the winch. Zip tie there, I have to figure out where to zip tie it up somewhere different though. And then it goes, obviously, see it's got everything for the winch on the bumper, so it should bolt right up. If it don't, we'll have to make holes. It's got some wires, see there?
That's the wire to connect the battery.
But we might not use those because we're going to have longer wire than that. And we're going to put a cutoff switch in it. Not sure exactly, so we're going to wire it straight to the battery with a cutoff switch. And yeah, so and then we'll have that. We got the bolts. We got that for the front. And then what's that? What's in that?
Maybe a wire. It's the...
Oh, that's a cutoff switch. Ain't it?
I think.
Is that a cutoff switch? It is.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so there you got a cutoff switch with it, so I'll just use that one instead of the one that I got. I'll have to figure out how they have it in there. But anyway, probably gonna have to go get some wire because the positive wire definitely ain't long enough. So I'll have to get some wires, some fittings, and everything. So.
I know they gave us a singular zip tie.
One zip tie. Anyway, let's get started on this. Maybe we'll get it mounted and everything and get it up on the front of the Jeep, and then we'll go get the wires and finish it up tomorrow. So let's get to work, y'all. All right, y'all, we're in here jamming right now. Let's see if I can get this thing off before 10 seconds is up. What do you think? Ah, there we go. It says 8 on here, so hopefully it works. All right, so let me show you where we're at so far. I'm gonna cover up my rug so nobody really sees my rug. Nobody see where that rug's from. Not like it matters, but no free advertisement, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, let me show you what we got so far. Look here, we got the winch on. I'll trip over bags. We got that on. Obviously, we're like got this pulled out a little bit just because I free spun it a little bit, pulled it out. I don't know what happened to my red thing on mine, but I need to make one of these because this is actually pretty nice. I don't know how good it'll hold up in weather all the time. But we run everything here, runs in behind and underneath, runs down underneath the Jeep. This is the ground wire. I have not run it all the way. It's supposed to go to the battery, so we're gonna run it to the battery. We run it down and under. So we come up here and run it right up through here. And then this is our on-off switch. That'll be on, that'll be off. This will go over to the battery post. Then you'll have a negative that'll come up. I'm probably gonna try to run it up from the same way. Maybe not, I don't know. We might run it right up through here. And then that way it'll connect straight to the negative side. So we gotta get that run, but we got the positive and everything run so far. Obviously I took the battery out of it. I don't know who done this, but we might put him might figure out something for that. I didn't do that. And then this piece here, I don't know what it is, but there's an ear broke off of it. I don't know if somebody done it changing the battery. This is as important as that looks. I don't feel like it should be right here, but it is what it is. So I actually got to take this back off. I just realized I left the cover off the back of it. It is what it is. So that's all we done. We actually run it. Come with bolts and nuts, but actually I had some metal screws and with where it's at, I couldn't get a nut on the back side because this is double walled, as you can see. So what I did is I went in here and I drilled holes, small holes for bolts, just a little smaller than the bolt, and then run or screw or whatever, and then run it in. So that's what I did. But I got to take it back off because I just realized I got to put this cover on because, you know, I'm not really that smart sometimes. It is what it is. That's where it's coming along. We'll get this thing wired up. We'll show you, we'll show you how it does and go from there. So stick with us. Well, we're back. YouTube magic. All of a sudden, we're never know what you're gonna hear music-wise in here. Just so you know, if you ever catch a glimpse of it. So we got it on now. The only thing I got left to do is to tie up some wires, tie up some wires, and make it look clean underneath. Make sure it's out of the way of everything. Always do that. Make sure it's not near any rotating stuff or anything like that. So we got everything pretty much where we want it. I'm gonna run one zip tie. See this? Gets up near the grill. I'm gonna run one zip tie around this stuff, kind of hold it together. But it's bolted to, this is bolted to that, that's bolted to the winch. And this cable here, it goes to the front, is the thing here. So pretty good little fit. Obviously I made sure it was gonna fit before I put it in here. It's on right now. Well, that's your off, and that's your on. Obviously we'll leave it off unless you need it. Run the wire up through the back there, right to here, and then of course that wire's run down and then into here, and then this wire's run out and over to there. So pretty clean install. I don't know what some of this stuff is. This is crimped that big. There's not even nothing crimped into that. I don't even know what that's for. A couple things in here somebody's done before I got a hold of this thing, but I really appreciate the gentleman that owns this letting me work on this. He actually found us because of where my wife works, and he seen her sweatshirt one day that she had her logo on it. But I've been very fortunate to get with these guys and their families on doing their stuff, because it's been pretty cool. We've got to do quite a bit to this Jeep. If you follow us, you know. But anyway, so when we got this, turn it on. Look at here. It's got an out button. Obviously, you're gonna want to pull it as you go in. And then it's got the end button. Pulls it in. So got somebody call me. Joey's calling me. So let me get off here and answer this phone call. Alrighty, now I got off the phone. So y'all seen all the winch stuff. Let me show you what else we put in today that we actually I just done this. It didn't take me about 5-10 minutes or so. But it's a thing to hold your sunglasses. Pretty cool. But it's got underneath this little pad here, there's like a 7mm bolt that holds this piece of plastic down. So you take that 7mm out, put it right back in there, good to go. Don't take you all and put that in. He just, while I was here, he wanted me to go ahead and do that. So there you go. That's everything. We're gonna tie the wires up. We're done with this one again for this time. So, hey, maybe he'll have something else he wants me to put on here before too long. Never know. But it is what it is. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's get these watch hours up. Yeah, keep going. Hope y'all enjoy videos like this. It's cold, so we're not doing anything with the car really right now. It's still got snow on it right now. But anyway, so we will hopefully very soon have a video coming out with the car. So stay tuned. Appreciate you.